Alright. So just about to do the descent down Furongjian. Got this on my helmet. Feels a little bit heavy, but not too uncomfortable. Nice view from up here. I don't know if you can see my cycle meter. This will probably fall off when I'm going down, but got my speed here. Heart rate's not going to be important. This is the grade. That should be about it, and this is my elevation. Alright, let's start. Pretty windy. Siri says it's not going to rain, but I don't believe Siri anymore. This is quite heavy. So most of the views will probably be behind me. It's where they're making the extensions to the road. If you look up to the left, you can see the temple. Most of the workers are finished for the night. So you can see the sea over on the right, probably the temple behind me. There's a dam just to the right as well. So I think they're increasing the car parking up here. It is really, this is the windiest I've ever seen it up here. Bucketing down with rain for the last couple of days, so it must be pretty flooded up there. Up there there's some really nice dirt tracks you can actually do a bit of mountain biking on, but I'm usually too tired by the time I get up here. Alright, so you can see, I don't know what it is up on the top of the hill, that's on the right. Normally I'd be going much faster, but it really feels weird with this thing on my head. And it's new, I don't want it to just sort of fall off. Oh man. Few waterfalls about. And more temples. I think I need to put my helmet on much tighter. This is feeling really weird. Alright. So straight ahead's Shan. That's kind of the nicest ride in town. Hey, 你好. Hey. He just told me to just go slow a bit, which I am. It'll be interesting to see how the sound is on this, because this is really windy. Another temple, another dam down there. Kind of a pleasant little circuit you can go on. These straps are making a bit of noise as well. A bit dark and overcast. Siri promised me it wasn't going to rain. Yeah, could have been on the right side of the road, but bugger it. Some of these turns are quite nice because you can actually see a little bit behind. Sorry, see ahead, so you can get a bit of, you can take a bit of the other side if there's no traffic. These switchbacks are not so good, they're just really tight. And there's always somebody, there's always a car around one of these corners. Always going on the other side of on my side of the track. Alright, that's about the halfway mark. Yep, some more switchbacks. These are really tight. And some nice views, I think, of where we came from, just up ahead. Definitely need to tighten this helmet. It just feels like my helmet will just fall off any moment, and I'm not going that fast at all. we are where we started on the right. Alright, this is where I can really get some speed happening. But yeah, I'm not going to do it today. Oh, no, not here, it's the next one. Oh, waterfalls just behind me now. There's actually quite a lot of people walking on these paths in the morning. I've been coming up here for over a year now and I've never noticed the sea before. But yeah, I'm travelling east now and yeah, I can see it quite clearly. Yeah, this is the place where you can get some nice speed. Very windy again. Up those stairs is a really nice little track to ride along. This is about 2/3 of the way done. See them coming up. Okay, that's Wenzhou. That's kind of where I do a lot of riding. It's quite beautiful up there, straight ahead. Yeah, you can see our starting point straight ahead. Pretty tight. So this has been the most uncomfortable ride I've done. I'm trying to keep my head still. And so it just feels like either the helmet or the camera is just going to come off. Does remind me of the luge back on Stromlo, but at least on there you can get some pace happening. Alright, we're nearly at the bottom. Yeah, there's all these little roads that are just worth exploring. Some are nice, some are not so nice. Start. You can also probably see, if you can see my settings, you can see just how far we've gone down. So the next time I'm back in Canberra, I really want to try Black Mountain, just to compare it. Okay. Just do that there. All right. Dad wants to see the villages, but I might leave that for another day because this is just really uncomfortable. And this is the start back in town, well, back in the civilization at least. Should be able to see there where we started, just to the right. And here's the villages. Not these poor, humble, traditional Chinese villages out here. As I say, there's a bit of wealth around here. Alright, gotta get this off my head. Alright, hope that was interesting.